This is the unboxing of Ambrane 10,000 mAh power bank. Here you can see the package. Here they have mentioned the 10,000 mAh and it is made in India. The power capsule for the gadgets, the branding of Ambrane. And here they have mentioned the details and the model name. Here it is compatible for 2 devices and USB charging 2.4 ampere 10 mAh dual. There are 2 USB ports inside this one. Model number and the input ampere voltages and the USB output, and it will take 5 to 7 hours to complete the full charge of this power bank. And here they mentioned charge 100% before use. Okay, let me open the box. There is one more box inside. Okay, here we have the box. Here we can see the made in India branding and there is one sticker. Let me remove it. Here we have the they have given one pouch also. Very good. Yeah, pouch is good, with a good quality. And we will open. We have one charging cable. This is the power bank. Okay, Ambrane. Yeah, this is very compact in size. You can see it's a very small one. And here they have mentioned the model name, capacity and input output. It is 10,000 mAh ampere power bank, but its output will be around some 7,200 mAh or 7,400 mAh. Most of the power banks will come in that range only. I will charge it fully and I will check how it will work and how much capacity it will give, and I will come back with a new video. Thanks for watching.